Yeah. Cass and Noel.
What's going on, guys? Welcome to this video. I just first wanted to introduce my really good friend, Cassandra. She is absolutely amazing, and she has a YouTube channel that is going to be literally food focused and based. Make sure that you guys go and subscribe to her channel if you are looking for ideas with food or just like how to cook. Anything involving with food, this is your girl. Okay, so make sure you subscribe to her channel. Diving into today,
Cut that out.
So we're going to be making
overnight oats. So we're gonna be showing you guys 3 different quick, easy recipes that are gonna involve similar ingredients, but we're gonna spice them up a little bit differently.
If you're somebody who is super on the go, overnight oats are gonna be your best friend, okay? You're somebody who wakes up super early and you have to go to the gym early because you have to be at work by 7, so you're in the gym by 4 or something like that. I know people personally who do that, who have very busy lifestyles. These are gonna be literally perfect for you to make them. This is also a go-to breakfast that I usually have. We're gonna be incorporating different like variations of how you can make them. My full days of eating, the first thing I always start off with in the morning is my protein, which is oatine, protein, and whatever did I say oatine? She has a lot of
food allergies and like restrictions that I have to follow, and oatmeal is actually like one thing I can have. So it's been like my sweet treat at the end of the night, or if I'm craving something sweet in the morning. You can literally eat oats in the morning, afternoon, for a snack, before bed, whenever you want. It's super quick, easy, and very filling.
We hope that you guys enjoyed this video. We know that you will. We know that you will. Make sure to subscribe and like the video. All right, we're diving into it.
Okay, we're so
Alright, you guys, so jumping right on in, we used some flax milk and we did a serving of oats. We pretty much did a serving of everything. If you wanted to add more or less, that's completely up to you. And you can use any kind of milk that you please, honestly. Me, I usually prefer almond milk. Every single time you ever add anything into the oats, make sure that you mix it real good. Mix it real good. Then we went ahead and added Her Way by NLA for Her. Chocolate Eclair is bomb, or I would suggest the PB Banana Split. So good. I am sponsored by this company, so if you guys ever wanted to pick up any kind of supplements, they got a lot of stuff. I have a discount code in the description box for you. We wanted to go ahead and show you guys these 2 options. PB Fit is a low-fat peanut butter. It is a little bit higher carb, but it's low-fat. It's really good, and it's organic. We went ahead and added both. We added the full peanut butter as well, but obviously full peanut butter is going to be a lot higher fat, so it really is just up to you. And then we went ahead and added in this iced coffee by Starbucks, which I thought was absolutely freaking genius because I love coffee, and to have this in the morning, you don't even need coffee. You could just have your overnight coffee oats. Forgot to mention that we did add a tablespoon of cacao, which made it chocolate. Next, we had a strawberry almond overnight oats. The foundation of all of this is going to be super simple, so you just add in a serving of the oats, serving of whatever milk that you're using, and then make sure to mix it real good. Added in some vanilla liquid stevia, but again, this is totally optional, but it did definitely sweeten it up. Then we did a serving size of sliced almonds. These are so good, really good for getting in good fats. So Cassandra and I are pretty much pros at eyeballing serving sizes. We've been counting macros for a really long time, and that is what it helps you do. It's obviously not as accurate. If you want to be very accurate with your portion sizes, then I would highly recommend weighing it out on a food scale.
blueberry chia oatmeal, 1/2 cup of oats. We're gonna do half cup of oat milk, and then blueberries and chia.
Let me in this thing.
1/2 cup.
1/2 cup.
Yes.
Oh, and you see how
every like portion of oats you want to do same portion of liquid. So we're gonna do half cup of, we're using flax milk here. You can do any kind of plant-based milk or dairy milk if you can tolerate dairy. You want, typically I'll do like a serving of chia seeds, and you want to have a little bit of extra liquid because the chia seeds will soak that up and it'll become like pudding, like, I hate this word, moist consistency. Who hates that word? Comment down below.
It makes me think dirty things. Chia seeds is something that I've actually started getting into. Like, it's just not something that I'm like, oh, hey, let me do this. But they're really good to add to like smoothies or oats because they're high fiber, and so they help like with your digestive
tract.
Yeah,
digestive tract, and they have they're a good source of fat too, so like omega-3 and omega-6. Do you like chocolate?
I do. I love
Okay.
chocolate.
We're gonna do a little bit of cacao powder.
Same with you.
Do you want to sweeten it? We're gonna add some stevia drops. Yep. I'll add
Oh my god, that looks amazing.
Yes. Tilt it this way. Yes. Bomb.
Yum.
You just let them sit for a couple hours just to soften and become, I hate this word, moist.
How long did you say? Like 2 or 3 hours?
Yeah, I think 2 or 3 hours is perfect.
Yeah.
But overnight is fine too.
And just like that.
Breakfast is served! Or a snack.
Or a snack.
Or whatever you want.
And we're not talking about us, we're talking about this. We ended with strawberries, almonds, and then the flax milk.
But all of them.
As I said within the voiceover, you can like incorporate different things as far as like what kind of nuts you want to use and just all of that stuff.
Yeah, blueberry is in here, and then the last one is chocolate, peanut butter, and coffee.
Yes.
So Noel loves coffee.
I do love coffee. So I hope you guys enjoyed that video. And then again, this is perfect for when you are somebody who's like super on the go. And as I always say, if you don't prepare yourself, you're preparing to fail, especially when it comes to nutrition. These are great ideas for that if you're somebody on the go. So I hope that you enjoyed that video. Make sure to hit that thumbs up and make sure to subscribe to see me in the next video. Check out my girl. This is literally one of my bestest friends, Cassandra.
Sissy.
She's
Well, I sound like a man, it's fine.
And don't not subscribe because of how her voice sounds. This is usually not how it usually sounds. Don't get it twisted. She is a woman. I'm just kidding. Everything goes in LA.
No, I'm kidding.
Love you guys.